Art is a almost different kind of world where you can find yourself, lose yourself, and it's just an amazing feeling, an amazing place to be able to escape to all the time. Coming into my first art class here, I assumed it'd just be like every other art class, you know, mindless projects, and then I walked in and it was just this whole new environment and I fell in love with it immediately. The art teachers here at Collins are the best art teachers I've ever had, which is going to make it really hard to leave here because they've just had such a big influence on growing personally and growing artistically.
Students like Julia are our teacher's dream come true. I can give a prompt or an inspiration for a project and the next day ask how it's going and she'll already have opened up her sketchbook and be ready to talk about all these plans that she has.
It's just a whole different mood and feeling as soon as you walk in and you immediately get ready to create. It's just an awesome feeling, and I think the art teachers have a really big say and input on how it feels in the art room. They're just so accepting and so ready to make you the best artist you can be. It's been so much growth. I came in not confident in myself as an artist. I'm able to push myself into the part where I want to be this good and I want to do better and I want to pursue this certain medium. Looking back at it, if I didn't have such amazing art teachers and such a great community within the art room and the art clubs, and I wouldn't have wanted to pursue this as much as I want to right now.
As an art teacher, my role is to foster a culture of creativity and self-expression. So the student experience here at Fort Collins High School in our art department is choice and no limits. So instead of creating a work on a small piece of paper, if you want to create it in paint and you want it to be 5 feet tall, let's see it.
I don't think I could have been this good at art had it not been for them since freshman year. My name is Julia Yax. I'm a senior here at Fort Collins High School, and this is my student experience.